This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by laying out every essential part. Do this now. You solder the mic preamp and encoder to the transmitter module. Steady hands and flux help. You then wire the receiver decoder to the audio output and speaker. Make sure to place decoupling capacitors close to VCC pins because they prevent oscillation. This matters for clean audio. Once done, attach the chosen antenna and confirm power polarity with a meter. Doing these first steps avoids rework later. Once you have basic connections, you focus on alignment. This is the complex middle. You trim the RF matching cap while monitoring signal strength because correct impedance keeps the link efficient. You shape the audio with a simple bandpass and an op-amp to avoid overmodulation. Too hot a signal creates distortion at the receiver. You then test range at 1-2 meters, read RSSI on the module or receiver board, and tweak antenna length or TX output until you get a steady, clear channel. You finish by mounting modules into enclosures and routing the antenna outside because physical separation reduces interference. You secure grounds and add ferrites on supply lines to stop spurious emissions. This improves clarity. If you hear no audio, start methodically. Measure VCC, confirm encoder/decoder sync, and listen for the carrier with a handheld receiver. If the carrier exists but no audio, reduce gain or add simple RC filtering. These steps solve most issues quickly, so proceed one test at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.